Yeah, I don't even know what to say about that. Just having some fun out there in the shop. It's been a crazy month. We've turned wooden bowls inside and out on our table saw. We've used the table saw as a lathe for turning dowels and doing small profiles, and we're going to do some more on that here in the near future. We've turned perfect spheres with a skill saw and with an old screwdriver. So I know some of you guys are thinking, where's he going to go from here? I'm just getting the ball rolling, guys. I have got some crazy stuff planned for the future. So stick around, and all you new guys, thank you very much for your subscriptions. And all the comments and feedback are wonderful. I try to get back to them as quick as I can. If you haven't subscribed to my, or if you haven't hit my Facebook link below, I'm going to put that link below. Do that. I just did a video for a contest that Adam Savage from Mythbusters is doing. It's called the Inventern. I just did a little video for that. It's a little crazy off the wall. Go check it out. It's on my Facebook page. Thanks a lot, everybody. I really appreciate it. We're having fun. And for you guys that are new here, I do a lot of wild stuff, but I also do a lot of helpful tips that really help you save a lot of money, especially for the garage guys that don't have a lot of large industrial equipment. I'll show you how to do things with just a few tools I guarantee you never imagined you could do. So stick around. Lots and lots of fun stuff planned. Thanks a lot, everybody. I really appreciate you. Have a good night.